Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about grade 9 physics. This is an enrichment video for you about CT scan. First we will see what are the topics in this video. First one, what is CT scan? Second one, how does CT scan work? Third one, uses of CT scan. Fourth one, is CT scan and MRI are same? Fifth one, how does CT scans helpful for detecting COVID-19? Sixth one, side effects of CT scan. Are you understand students? These and all we will discuss these topics one by one. Now we are going to discuss about first one, what is CT scan? Do you have any idea about it? What is mean by CT scan? First of all, what is full form of CT scan? Any idea? CT scan means computerized tomography scan. C for computerized, T for tomography, that is the CT scan. CT scan means, what is the meaning of CT scan? Computerized tomography scan. The term computerized tomography or CT refers to a computerized X-ray imaging procedure in which a narrow beam, that is a beam of X-rays, is aimed or focused. Image it yourself, okay, at a patient and quickly rotated around the body. After rotating around the body and they produce signals. What produce? Signals produced. From where? The X-rays. From where? Body. Okay. These signals are converted into cross-sectional images of the body by the computer machine. These cross-sectional images are called tomographic images. Are you understand students? Okay. These images contain more detailed information. What is that? These images contain more detailed information. What are the mistakes in our body? That information collect from our body. Are you understand? Then after this, a number of these cross section images are collected by the machines. Computer, they together form a three-dimensional image of the patient that allows for easier identification and location of basic structure as well as any abnormalities. Now we have seen a brief explanation about CT scan. Are you understand students? Okay, which is nothing but, what is mean by CT scan? Which is nothing but computerized tomography. That is what is mean by tomography? Cross-sectional images. Tomographic images. Cross-sectional images are called tomographic images. Are you understand students? Cross-section images are collected by the machine's computer. They together form of a three-dimensional image of the patient that allows for easier identification and location of basic structures as well as any abnormalities. That's all students. Now we are going to discuss about second one. Students, next topic, how does this CT scan work? Any idea about that? During a CT scan, the patient lies on a bed that slowly moves through the gantry. What is scantry? Any idea? It is the circular opening of donut shaped structure is called gantry. Okay, what is meant by gantry? Gantry means it is the circular opening of donut shaped structure is called gantry. Then the X-ray tube rotates around the patient, shooting straight beams of X-ray through the body. As the X-ray leave the patient, they are picked up by the detectors and transmitted to computer. The thickness of the tissue is represented in each image ranges from 1 to 10 millimeters. Okay. How does this CT scan work, or how is the scan performed? See the screen. The technologist begins by positioning patient on the CT examination table. This is the first point. Okay, are you understand? Image yourself. Usually lying flat on back or less commonly on one side or on stomach. Are you understand? Okay. Next step, straps and pillows may be used to help you maintain the correct position and to hold still during the exam. Exam means determine. Okay, in which part you determine, that is the exam. Next point, depending on the part of the body being scanned, patient may be asked to keep hands overhead. This is the scan performed. Are you understand, students? Students, this picture represents CT scan of a woman's abdomen. Now we will see the uses of CT scan. Why do we take scan? To detect what? So everything we will see now. First, CT scan is used to detect or locate the injuries, tumors, clots leading to stroke or heart problem. Are you understand, students? It can even image the lungs to detect the presence of tumors, pulmonary embolisms, that is simply known as blood clot. Do you know about blood clot? That is blood clot. It can even image the lungs to detect the presence of tumors, pulmonary embolisms, that is simply known as blood clots, excess fluid and other conditions such as pneumonia. So that only we will take the scan. Okay, students. Then CT scan is particularly useful when imaging the complex bone fractures, severely eroded joints. Eroded joints means loss of bone in certain area or bone tumors. Are you understand? Eroded joints. What is mean by eroded joints? Which is nothing but loss of bone in certain area or bone tumors. That is the eroded joint. I am keep on telling about tumor. Do you know what is mean by tumor? It is nothing but swelling of a part of a body caused by an abnormal growth of tissue. What is mean by tumor? Any idea? It is nothing but swelling of a part of a body caused by an abnormal growth of tissue, that is called the tumor. Okay, is CT scan and MRI are same? MRI scan are same? Do you know difference between CT scan and MRI scan? Let us see. It is of course not same. MRI and CT is not same, but Both CT scan and MRIs are used to capture images within your body. CT scan, less detailed image of our inner body parts compared to MRI. Okay. Next, MRI scan. Now we are going to discuss about CT scan and MRI scan. Okay. MRI scan provides detailed images of our inner body parts. Okay. Are you understand, students? CT scan means less detail, collect from less details. Okay. MRI scan collects more details. Are you understand? Second point, less expensive compared to MRI scan. Okay, less expensive means low cost, but MRI scan expensive compared to CT scan. That means MRI scan is costly. Okay. Third point, process CT scan process takes less time compared to MRI. CT scan take suddenly. Okay. MRI scan process requires more time for MRI. Take long time. That's all. Next point, excessive radiation of CT scans might cause cancer rarely. Or you understand? That is a very dangerous one. Excessive radiation, that means much more radiation of CT scans might causes cancer rarely. MRI scan, no side effects due to the radiation of MRI scans. So which one is best, MRI or CT? MRI scan. Okay, next point, CT scan uses X-rays. What rays used in CT scan? X-rays used in CT scan. It's a very important. Okay. MRI scan uses radio waves, so does not get any damages for our body. Are you understand, students? Are you understand, students? CT scan only uses X-rays. MRI scan uses radio waves. Are you understand? It's a very important point. Don't forget, students. Okay, next one. How does CT scan help to detect coronavirus? In this period, coronavirus period, no? So, how does CT scan help to detect coronavirus? Common chest CT scanning in patients helps to detect lung cancer, blocked blood flow, shortness of breath, chest pain, cough, pneumonia, tuberculosis, and very important, COVID-19 or coronavirus. In this poor situation, everyone please stay safe in your home. Drink plenty of water. Eat only healthy food. Wash and sanitize your hands regularly. Wear a mask properly. Till now, we have seen about what is CT scan, how does CT scan work, uses of CT scan, difference between MRI and CT scan, how CT scans are helpful in detect coronavirus. That and all we have discussed previous topics. And now we are moving to our last topic. What is the last topic? Side effects of CT scan. We are using CT scan. Any side effects is there? Yes, some side effect is there by using CT scan. What are the side effects after taking an CT scan? What are the side effects? Any idea? Do you know? I will say, we will see now. First one is the lifetime risk of cancer due to X-ray radiation exposure. What is the first side effect? Lifetime risk of cancer. Lifetime risk of cancer. Often we are going to take CT scan means we are affected by cancer. Yeah, am I correct? Cancer due to X-ray radiation exposure. So, avoid the CT scan. We use the CT scan only emergency time. Okay, students. Next point. What is the next side effects means? Possible allergic reactions or kidney failure due to contrast agent or dye. Contrast agent or dye. It is simply said that many allergic reactions may takes place. Are you understand? Possible we use the CT scan means it is simply said that many allergic reaction may takes place. Are you understand, students? What is the first one? Will come cancer, and second one is the some allergy reactions. Okay. The third side effects is there. High dose exposure X-rays. X-rays is high dose. It's a very powerful one. Comparing radio waves. Radio waves is the low value, low exposure, but CT scan X-rays is the high exposure. High dose exposure X-rays can cause skin reddening. It is called erythema. Sometimes our skin is going to, we take the CT scan means sometimes our skin is going to reddening. What is mean by reddening means it is called the erythema. We can say erythema. Skin tissue injury. Skin tissue injury. That means the damage, hair loss, and cataract. What is mean by cataract? It is a type of eye defect. Already we have discussed in in 8th standard. Eye topics is there, no? Cataract means it is a type of eye defect. And another one is the birth defect. Birth defect means if scanning as is done during pregnancy. Often we take a CT scan means some babies are affected, will affect during the CT scan. And that is if scanning is done during pregnancy, it will cause any problem to the baby after or before delivery. So, many more times we avoid the CT scan. Why means during pregnancy. Are you understand, students? Okay. Then next point, greater risk for children because they are more sensitive to radiation. Okay. Greater risk means high risk, more risk for children. Why means they are more sensitive to radiation. The radiation is the very powerful one. So using the same parameters as those used on an adult, and it is a great risk if the large dose is delivered to the child unnecessarily. Are you understand, students, how much effects is there? We use the CT scan means these and all side effects for our body. Are you understand, students? What is the first one? Lifetime risk of cancer. Okay. Second one is the cancer due to X-ray radiation exposure. Second one is the allergic reaction. Third one is the high dose exposure X-rays can cause skin reddening. Okay. First one another lifetime risk of cancer. Second one is the allergic problems, allergic reactions. Third one is the skin reddening. And fourth one is the skin tissue injury. That means the damage of our body, hair loss, cataract. Cataract means eye effect. It is a type of eye defect. Next, birth defect. Then if scanning is done during pregnancy. Okay. some problems is there, no? That means we use the CT scan means many problems affect by child. Okay, that is if scanning is done during pregnancy, it will cause any problem to the baby after or before delivery. So we avoid the CT scan in during pregnancy time. Keep it in mind, students. Next one is the greatest risk for children. It's very very important. Greatest risk for children because they are more sensitive to radiation. More sensitive to radiation. Using the same parameters as those used on an adult, and it is great risk if the large dose is delivered to the child unnecessarily. Are you understand, students? What do you expect during a CT scan? What and all we expect during a CT scan? This process is entirely painless and requires nothing of you other than lying still. Are you understand, students? This process is entirely painless and requires nothing of you other than lying still. A few things you will want to know before heading in for your CT scan include. Are you understand, students? Next, proper dress code, no metal allowed, noisy machines, varied scan times, easy communication, lying still, contrast dye. These and all we expect during CT scan. Yeah, what is that? First one is the dress code, no metal allowed, remove all the metals and gold, silver, all the one removed, no metal allowed. Noisy machines, it is a very soft one, no noisy machines, it is a noisy machines. Varied scan times, easy communication, then lying still, contrast dye. Okay, what is mean by contrast dye? A special dye called contrast material is needed for some CT scans to highlight the areas of your body being examined. It blocks X-rays and determine blood vessels. That is the contrast dye. What is meant by contrast dye? A special dye called contrast material is needed for some CT scans to highlight the areas of your body being examined. Some parts are damaged, that parts are examined. It blocks X-rays and determine blood vessels. Okay, students, hope you have understood about CT scan. Behind this CT scan there is lot of physics because the CT scan depends on radiation, waves, light rays, radio waves, sound waves and etc. Okay, students, are you understand this concept? No need to copy this notes your classwork. Okay, students, thank you. Physics is very important in our day-to-day life. Physics also helps a lot in medical field. Okay, students, thank you. Be safe in your home. Stay safe, stay home.